Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to air fry some wings. They've been marinating in my refrigerator for several days. I better go on and cook some of them, but Walter said he's going to eat his leftover steak from the Texas Roadhouse. I'm just going to fix enough wings for me. And he does want some of these vegetables that I fixed yesterday. What you call these things? Brussels sprouts, potatoes, carrots, and bacon. So I'll put it in here. This is how I store leftovers. Ziploc bags. Okay. I'm gonna bread these wings, y'all. I ate good for maybe 2 weeks. Now I'm eating everything again. Okay, this is what I'll be using. I've used this before. It's spicy crispy fry breading mix. I bought this from Amazon, but you can also find this in Asian markets. I'm going to use my breader shaker bowl, and my wings have already been cut, washed, marinated. So all I got to do is dump a few in here after I put the breading in here. Open this. And the brand of this is Ajinomoto. It's spicy, y'all. That's how it looks. I'm just going to dump the whole thing in here because I will eventually be fixing the rest of this chicken. I'll just keep using it. Can't do this too much because this will have me sneezing because it got pepper in it. So I handle this chicken. I'm going to put some of these vegetables in my Paula Deen air fryer. I got foil down here. I'm going to put the vegetables down here on top of the foil. Then I'm going to put this crisper plate on top of that. So everything can cook at the same time. This already been cooked, but it's cold, so it can warm up. These are some good vegetables, y'all. See how much. I'll show y'all how I got it in here. Let me spray some oil on it. It ain't gonna hurt it. Take this off. See how that's how I got the vegetables down in here. So let me show you. I'm gonna put this grill, whatever you call this thing, crisper. Oh, this crisper thing, it has legs. See the legs? So I'm gonna have the chicken sitting up high and the food below it. I'm trying to figure out, do I want to put a layer of foil on top of that? I think I will. Okay. Put some foil over that. I don't want no chicken dripping on my cooked food. Okay, that's on top of that. It'll still heat up. This is good and done. Let me put this right. Okay. The chicken will sit up there. Okay. I'm not going to preheat it or anything. Put my chicken Oh wow. Good and seasoned. I like to season my chicken even if the breading is seasoned. Still like to season the meat itself. Okay, I don't want all these drumettes. I think I ate just about all the flats before. Okay, how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's good. Ew. Okay. Put that in the fridge. Need to do my nails. Put the lid. This is my breader shaker bowl. You can get it from Amazon. Of course, you can use a Ziploc bag or anything, or just dredge it in a plate. Whatever gets the job done. Okay, get in there. Don't waste it on my counter. Okay, y'all, I'm going to spray my crisper tray. Shake off the excess. Okay. This needs a little more flour. Okay. Close this up. Now I'm going to spray the chicken. How it look after it's been sprayed. I didn't even plug it in. Try to angle this so the hot air ain't blowing right into the outlet. Okay, turn it on. I'm gonna set it on French fry. That's 422 minutes. Start. Okay, and it's very quiet. It's a glare. But anyway, it's on and I will be back. Okay. Okay. It's through cooking. You unplug it. That's the fan that's still plugged in. It was hot in here. Push it back. Open it. Yes, buddy. I did not flip the wings at all. Yeah. Got my plate sitting over here. I'm so ready to eat. That's the other side of the wing. It has not been flipped. Good, good, good. Okay. Take this out. I'm lifting this up. Woo. Don't you touch my hand. Put it in the sink. Oh, ladies look good. Let me let y'all see down in there. I'm trying to fold this paper. I'm gonna throw this away. Okay. Let me put this back on here. There's my food. Those wings. My veggies. You know what would be good in this? Some mushrooms. Sliced mushrooms. I'm trying to get a good thumbnail. So this was cooked in my Paula Deen 10-quart air fryer. Out the camera was on while I was doing my taste test. Oh, this is spicy. Okay, I was showing y'all that this is very easy to clean. Very easy. It's already clean. This is ceramic. I love this feature that you can do high or low cooking. You can put food up under it and cook it or warm it up. So that's clean. So I was tasting a piece of chicken and I wasn't even being filmed. Okay, now I'm tasting another piece. It's spicy, y'all. 400 degrees for 22 minutes, no flipping. And I did spray it with some olive oil. Crispy, spicy. Let me see how these veggies did. Potato. Nice and warm. Carrot. Okay. I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bon appetit. Bye.